Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, well, it's gonna be a good day. We're doing exhaust work. So once again, I will give you a sound comparison. I'll let you hear what this sounds like. Modified car, not modified exhaust. This is going to be a custom exhaust. So let's get the before and after sound checks. Those were just 3,000 RPM revs. All right, so I am over at JPG. Ooh, I am excited. Oh, all right. Here's what it sounds like. You're going to hear this in real time as to what it sounds like when I hear it. It's louder than I thought it would be. I don't know. We'll see. Tell me down below. What do you think? 3,000 RPM. So what do you think? Too loud? Loud enough? Down below, let me know what you think. I like the tips. Thanks for watching. As I said, it was a short one.